as you guys probably can tell, car's on. Anyways, it's day 2 of this assembly. Yesterday I got pulled away and distracted way too much. We're going to work on the other side of the fender, measure them up, make sure they're the right length, grind down and finish up the one on the left side. And then we're going to work to the front of the car, taking off the bumper, removing the intercooler, sanding that down, painting it, and also installing the replacement headlights, which will be temporary until we get the actual headlights we're supposed to get later on, which I don't know if we'll be around to film or not, but you guys will be able to see in the future. I am going to wipe this down because it's nasty. Using the quick detailer, it's not going to look pretty. It doesn't matter, it's going to be covered anyways. See exactly how much room I have before I'm actually starting to cut in to the fender. You can see a little bit of a light right there. That is going to be a leak hole. So I'm going to patch that as well and find out how much higher I can cut, because this does need to go much lower, probably up to where that hole is right there. So I'm going to have to be cutting that line right there. You guys can see the car is literally sitting like on the tire itself. So that's a no-go. So we're going to get that taken care of. We just cut this off, a little bit more of the rear panel, and this will definitely need to be sealed because it's definitely leaking into the trunk at this point. So we're gonna make cuts, roll it up. If I open up the trunk here, you guys can definitely see the opening. Oh boy, we're gonna have to seal that up as best we possibly can. We're taking off all the decals, including Stosh.
Get a Beamer, stop being gay.
So I took the Dremel to this area. I would use a body saw, but I don't have the proper blades for the body saw that I got. So use a Dremel and just cut some slits. We're gonna fold those up, and then we are going to push them up against and try and seal them with some liquid metal that we got. Alrighty, now while that's drying, as you guys can see, I did a little bit of this liquid filler. I will show you that in a second. And I just filled in all the gaps of where this metal was cut off and bent up and then cut off. So I bent that inside layer up. And you can see that on a lot of different YouTube videos if you guys go check that out. It's really simple. When you're cutting that outside layer, you're gonna have a little bit of a sheet metal that kind of runs along this fender liner right here. And then you just make your slits, fold it right back up, right to the edge of here, and then you can grind it all down. And most people will tack weld it and then do their MIG or TIG weld or flex core around there. I do not have a welder, so this is a good alternative that will work for you guys if you guys want to go this route. The stuff that I'm using is Permatex, and it's a liquid metal filler. You can get this on Amazon you can get a box of 25 of these. So far I've gone through one. This is my second tube I've used, and I've already finished the rear sides, at least for the ceiling. And you can get a pack of 25 for, I believe it's $10. This stuff is really good. I recommend using this if you do not have a welder and you need an alternative. The body kit is on. We got the stock wheels on there. Front ones have not come off. We also need to paint the front intercooler, which we'll have to do as well. So yeah, body kit's on. Looks really good lined up, minus the tuck. And then I'm gonna clean this up and go to bed. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a rush to get this car ready. Who knows, I'm even gonna be able to see it in person once it's complete, but I really hope so. Bye.